Alright guys, welcome back. RC Guru YouTube channel. It's a nice day out, it's overcast, and it's just about to rain. Kind of the same day we did the testing without the brass. But today, we're going to try it out with the brass. We have inner and outers. They're 258 grams, I think. Now this is just with the front brass, everything else is the same still. It's the last video. I'm going to try it out in the wood pile. So I found a little ramp, but other than that, it's all the same. There we go. Nice. Oh, focus now. Tire's working a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, we're gonna have to wall ride it. Oh, you fall over on us. Back tire, see? Oh, probably sliding on. Top of the pile. You do need brass. Alright, let's see how it goes down. Not the downhill, the descent. Get her started here. There we go. So much more controlled than it was last time. It was slipping and sliding. These are just as moist. It's just sprinkling rain just a little bit. Tire inserts, 3D printed. Get some, guys. Ask me to make them for you if you need them. Off throttle. Perfect hold. Oh, look at her go. Nothing. There we go. There you go. I'd suggest the brass. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.